Greetings to everyone. Today I will discuss briefly step by step how to start a business or set up a business. At the beginning, think first what you want to do. That means what kind of business you want to set up and know yourself and your strength on it. Before you start your business, you need a diary and pen. I am suggesting not to write in the computer. In second step, you need to write your business name. Your business name should not be long. You must keep your business name short and it should be coherent. The business name must be representing what kind of business you will do. For example, you will sell clothes. So, the business name can be super fashion or pretty fashion. Step 3, you have already selected your business name. Now your time to where you want to set up your business and how much area you want to serve. Step 4, before you start your business, you must do survey such as is there any existing business operating like your one? If you see the similar businesses exist, then think twice you will start your business or not. Step 5, if you see the same business is operated there and their business policy is strong and you are unable to offer better product or better service, then you should not start or set up your business. At this stage, take time, think more and try to find new business and new ideas. Step 6, however, if you are good enough and you can give your potential buyer better product and better service, then you may wish to start your business. But at this step, you must not start your business. Step number 7, after knowing serving area and existing competitor, then you must think who will be your potential or actual buyers. How many people living there and their age group. If you want to serve for a specific age group customers, then find how many specific age limit people living there. After knowing the specific population, now your responsibility is how many times they can be taken product from you or service from you. You must review and consider that particular area's potential buyer financial condition and buying behavior. You must select a good location where your buyer can communicate easily. However, if your actual plan is set up an online business, that is different issues. After selecting your location, then you need to think about business capital, costing, the rent of the premises, utility bills, staff cost, local and political influence, and people behavior, etc. Remember that I am telling about where you will launch your business. After analyzing those matters and you have found all factors are favorable in your upcoming business, then go for 9th step. In 9th step, you need to discuss with your stakeholders. Question is that what is stakeholders? Stakeholders are generally investors, employees, customers, suppliers, communities and trade associations, etc. After successful communication and discussion with them, then go for 10th step. In 10th step, you are ready to start your business. Hold on, wait. Before you start your business, you need to take permission from your local authority or government. That means you need a trade license or business registration before start any legal business. However, country to country may vary the government paperwork to start, operate or set up a business. Anyway, if you want to start a business or want to be an entrepreneur, and if you have any business related question, then book a live online consulting session via our website iclcounsel.com. The web link has been given below in the description box. Our half an hour consulting session is $30. You can take a session in your convenient time. I am guaranteeing you, if you take a session, you will be highly satisfied. Our aim is to develop the people by the learning and developments. If you want to develop yourself gradually, then just simply visit our website. However, thank you to watch the video and share this video for others who are willing to start a business. Good luck and stay well.